What is Adobe Photoshop? Beginner's Guide. Have you ever seen a photo that looks too perfect to be real? Chances are, it was edited in Photoshop. Today we're going to understand Adobe Photoshop, the most powerful photo editing tool in the world. What is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a professional image editing software used by photographers, designers, and creators worldwide. It allows you to photos, create graphics, design thumbnails, posters, and social media posts, manipulate images like magic. Simply put, if you can imagine it, Photoshop can create it. Key features of Photoshop. Here are some powerful features. Layers. Edit without damaging your original image. Brush tool. Paint and create digital art. Selection tools. Cut and move objects easily. Masking. Hide or reveal parts of an image. Color adjustments. Fix lighting, colors, and mood. What can you do with Photoshop? With Photoshop you can retouch photos like a pro, create YouTube thumbnails, design social media posts, make posters and digital art. It's used in photography, marketing, movies, and even gaming. Why learn Photoshop? Learning Photoshop can help you earn money through freelancing, grow your social media content, start a creative career. It's one of the most in-demand skills in the digital world today. Is Photoshop hard to learn? At first it might look complicated, but with practice it becomes easy and fun. Start with basics, practice daily, and you'll improve fast. So now you know, Photoshop isn't just software, it's a creative superpower. Like, share, and subscribe for more design tutorials.